Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 4.5 question number 2. Draw a rough sketch of a quadrilateral KLMN. State two pairs of opposite sides, two pairs of opposite angles, two pairs of adjacent sides and two pairs of adjacent angles. Right. Here we will draw one quadrilateral, that is KLMN. Right. Here a quadrilateral has four sides. We know that. Here we are drawing a quadrilateral. Named that ABCD. A, this is B, this is C, and this is D. Right? Now, question number A. Question number A, here question number A is two pairs of opposite side. Right? Two pairs of opposite side. Now you see, the opposite of AB, the opposite of AB is DC. Right? And the opposite of DA or AD is BC, right? These are the opposite, right? Therefore, you write the two pairs of opposite side. Opposite side, the opposite side of AB, the opposite side of AB is DC, right? DC. And the opposite side of AD, the opposite side of AD is BC, right? BC, right? These are the two pairs of opposite side, right? Now question number B. Two pairs of opposite angles. Two pairs of opposite angles, right? In this figure you see the opposite angle, the opposite of angle of A, the opposite angle of this angle, that is A, is this angle, that is angle C, right? Now we write angle A means angle DAB. A means angle DAB, and angle C means angle DCB, angle DCB, right? This is one pair of opposite angle. Here you see, it is angle A, this is angle A, and this is angle C, are opposite angles. In the same way, you can say that angle B, that this angle B, this angle is equal to angle D. This angle is angle D, right? Therefore, you can say in another way, another pair of angles. Angle D means angle ADC. Angle ADC, ADC. And angle B means angle ABC. Angle B means angle ABC, right? These are the two pairs of opposite angles. Now, two pairs of adjacent side. Adjacent side, what is the meaning of adjacent side? Adjacent side means that is there will be one point common. Suppose this side. We have taken two lines, that is line 1. Here you take one line, here you take another line, right? A, B, C. Here you see B is common to both AB and BC. Therefore, AB and BC are adjacent side, right? In the same way, we can say that DAD and AB. Here you see AD, here you see AD, that is AD and AB are adjacent side because this point A point is common to both the sides, right? Therefore, question number C is two pairs of adjacent side, that is AD and AB, AD, AB right? Another is one is you see that is DC and CB. Here you see DC, DC or CD and CB. This one, right? Therefore, this is another adjacent side because C is the common to both DC and BC, right? Another is CD and CB. These are the adjacent sides. Now, two pairs of adjacent angles. Adjacent angles. You see here, if you take adjacent angles, then these are the adjacent angles. You see here, adjacent angles. You see, this is angle A and angle D are adjacent angles, right? Angle A and angle D. Therefore, we can write here as question number D, two pairs of adjacent angles. Two pairs of adjacent angles. That is angle A and angle D. Angle A can be written as angle BAD, angle BAD, angle BAD, and angle D can be written as angle ADC, angle ADC. These are the two pairs of adjacent, one pair of adjacent angles. Another pair is you see that is angle B, this angle, right? And angle C, this angle are adjacent angles, right? Therefore, you can write here as angle B means angle ABC, angle ABC, angle ABC, and angle C means angle DCB. Angle C means angle DCB. Okay. Once again, you see that draw a rough sketch of a quadrilateral KLMN state two pairs of opposite sides. Here you have taken the quadrilateral as ABCD. You can take KLMN also, etc. also.